Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OSD video. Today we are taking a look at the exclusive Bigfoot number 8 by Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Well, welcome back everyone. Today is a very special video because I have finally found a Bigfoot number 8, which was originally supposed to be a Target exclusive truck back in summertime, but for some reason they never made it to Target stores, and now they're being found in Best Buy stores. Currently, the only ones that have been found in Best Buy have been in California. I actually found in a lot of 3 on eBay, these 3 from eBay from California. So I got these 3, they were $28 total, which is less than a typical Bigfoot when the first one came out, which is this one right here. This sold for about 50 bucks or so. It could have been more. I can't remember what the exact figures were when this first came out, but it's less for these 3 total, these specific Bigfoots, than the original one was by itself. I don't think the seller knew what he was selling, or she or he was selling, because I would have thought that once one of these went online, they would have gone for about 50 bucks by themselves. Because 1, they're extremely rare, and 2, they're a big sought after item because they're the second Bigfoot of the year and also the exclusive one. But you know what? It is what it is. I bought them. I will be sending the other 2 to friends of mine. And for now, I have my own, which is right here. I will unbox this one on the screen. And you can see there's the render of the Bigfoot number 8. So this is the Bigfoot 8. It was based off of the real life Bigfoot number 8. It didn't run this specific body style, which is the same casting as the actual original Bigfoot that they made. It did not run this specific body style with this paint scheme as number 8. So yes, technically this is a custom concept Bigfoot 8 replica. So I'm going to take a look at it up close. First, I want to read off the stats. You can see it says the name is Bigfoot number 8. The truck type is pickup. The strength is tubular chassis. The crash tech is long jump crush. And the motivation is to clear new heights. And that's that. And you can see there's the Bigfoot right there. And you also notice that it has the old Hot Wheels Mattel logo, because that's what the real life truck actually did run on its side panel. You can see Bigfoot 8 here. It is replacing the original Bigfoot in this case. So it's kind of like a chase piece truck where they replace one truck in the case with the new one. So you can see this case is the same exact case as Bigfoot had. If you guys see other cards, you'll see this Bigfoot on there. But for this specific case, it is Bigfoot. And it is unnumbered because it was supposed to be a Target exclusive, but then they changed the distribution. So here we go, the Bigfoot number 8 unboxing for the first time ever, live on my channel right now. And here it is out of the box, the Bigfoot number 8. It comes with one orange connecting crash car. I do not care for those, so I'll get rid of that. That's just a plastic insert. And here's the striper, or as I call it, the striper Bigfoot. You can see there's the logo with the stripes right there. And then we have the actual truck itself. So one of the most sought after trucks for the 2019 season for Hot Wheels. It is awesome to finally have this. You don't hear me say that often about Hot Wheels monster trucks when talking about the actual brand new line. A lot of things this year I have not liked, but this one I actually do like. Even though it's a custom concept, this one's really cool. I think it's maybe just because of how rare it is, but I really do like it. You can see the stripe going along the fender all the way across, the Summit logo, Monster Trucks logo, Firestone, the Hot Wheels Mattel logo, which the truck did run as number 8. It had that. They have the Bigfoot logo there. The tailgate has the Bigfoot logo as well. Tail lights that wrap around. We also have the same stuff on this side with the Hot Wheels Mattel logo. And then nothing on the front. The grill there. Like I said before, it's a custom concept, I believe. So that's this motor sticking out is not accurate, but I could be wrong. But what I've heard is that this specific body never ran with the striper. But you can see there's the stripes on the roof and the hood, and the white rims and a black roll cage. And then compared to the other Bigfoot from earlier this year, which is the original style paint job, you can see the modern one has a little more than the striper did back in the day. It has Bigfoot 4x4x4 instead of just Bigfoot. It has the new Hot Wheels logo instead of the old one. And then it has the Firestone logo, which I It must have not changed over the years, because if they're using the old Mattel logo, I guess that's why. And also, I'm not sure if it ran a Summit logo back in the day, but it could have. I have no idea. I'm not the biggest Bigfoot expert, so I'll have those people who are in the comments below let me know. But the big thing about this truck is, because of the distribution, it's very similar to how we saw the Red Hulk from earlier this year get distributed. It's what I consider pretty much, at this point, I would consider a chase piece, because it's just so hard to find. Red Hulk is near impossible for some people. It was a little more common earlier this year, and then suddenly it just dropped off and no one found anymore. And then there's this mistake that I accidentally received, instead of a Red Hulk from eBay, a freak accident where I received this Iron Spider truck instead of Red Hulk. And then the seller even sent me the Red Hulk afterwards. So Iron Spider is definitely the rarest truck of this year, unless at some point randomly before the end of 2019, in a month or so, we get a bunch of these. This will become the rarest Hot Wheels monster truck currently of all time, because it's going to be for the brand new line, so 2019 and on. So this will be possibly the rarest Hot Wheels monster trucks so far to be released. I have no idea what happened to it. I have not seen a single one sell on eBay since I received mine. And you got to remember, mine was not marked as Iron Spider when I was originally supposed to receive it, because I was ordering Red Hulk and Green Hulk, and this was tossed into the box on accident. So Iron Spider came out of nowhere, and I have no idea why I was the one that was given it. But you know what? I guess that's just, I have no idea. I can't really explain. I guess it would just be luck. I just still, it's hard to think about the odds of me receiving something like this. But anyway, the Bigfoot number 8 does match up perfectly with the Red Hulk and the Iron Spider from earlier this year. And yeah, so basically the distribution and the odd, spotty way of these being released kind of led to them all being very rare in their own ways. Also, I would mention that the WWE trucks, the Sasha Banks, the Triple H, and the Braun Strowman are also very similar in the rarity. However, those are Walmart exclusives, and they're also all over the place in Canada. So they're not as rare as these three right here, because these three have been the oddly distributed ones. And Iron Spider, I don't even know if that made it to stores yet. So we'll see, maybe in the future of this year, which is literally just a month and a half left, if Iron Spider makes an appearance in Red Hulk and Bigfoot 8, but if not, they will become some of the rarest items that Mattel Monster Trucks has released in their brand new line. So before I sign out, I do want to finish off the case, which is the rest of the stuff in the case. The first one is the Smash Squatch getting a re-release here. We also have Tiger Shark from the real life trucks, the Monster Trucks live, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks live tour. We have, again, a repeat of the Toxic Roger Dodger. Bone Shaker from the real life tour as well. And capping off this case, a 6-truck case, we have Sriracha getting yet another release. But the big one here is Bigfoot number 8, and it's awesome to finally have one and see it for review. So that has been the review of Bigfoot number 8. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have been able to find one of these in the comments below. And let me know what you guys think about it also in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time. This is Rhino Monster Moose CD, signing out.